Imagine the sound of a hammer on rock, shouts in many different languages, and rushing water. It is 1848 at Sutter's Mill in California, and a worker has just spotted something shining in the riverbed. The news spreads quickly: gold. Within months, people are talking about a new El Dorado in the West. By 1849, tens of thousands of people pour into California. They are nicknamed the 49ers. Some sail around South America, some cross the deadly deserts, and others follow the trails from the east. All of them hope that one lucky find will change their lives. Camps appear along rivers and in narrow valleys. Soon these rough camps grow into boomtowns, towns that explode in size almost overnight. But there is a problem. Towns grow faster than law. There are not enough sheriffs, judges, or prisons. The U.S. government has not had time to send proper officials to every mining camp. Yet people still need rules. Who owns which claim? The patch of ground where you dig for gold? What happens if someone steals your tools, your food, or your gold dust? Miners start to make their own answers. They hold meetings and write miners' codes, local rules to decide who can work which claim and how to settle disputes. In theory, this gives order where there is no formal law. In practice, it depends on who shouts loudest and who has the most friends or guns. When tempers rise, some citizens become vigilantes. Vigilantes are people who take the law into their own hands. They form vigilance committees, hunt down suspects, and hold quick trials in front of a crowd. Sometimes they deal with genuine criminals. But these trials are rushed and biased. Hangings and whippings can happen on the same day as the arrest. There is little chance to appeal. The gold rush changes power in California. Land that once seemed distant and quiet now fills with miners, traders, and businesses. In 1850, California becomes a state, but in many remote towns, the real power still lies with those who can organize a crowd or threaten violence. Gold brings wealth for a few, hope for many, and a rough, dangerous kind of justice that will influence the rest of the American West. Now let's check your understanding. 1. Why did camps and boomtowns appear so quickly in California after 1848? 2. How did miners' codes and vigilantes try to deal with crime and disputes in gold towns? 3. What were some of the risks and consequences of relying on vigilante justice instead of formal courts and sheriffs?